Tensions in the Middle East just look another dangerous turn, and this time it's not just the United States getting involved. Overnight, United Kingdom and France reportedly move additional warships closer to key shipping routes near the region, sending a very clear message that Western powers are preparing for a situation that could spiral much faster than expected. Military aircraft activity has increased. Oil markets are reacting nervously, and global leaders are scrambling behind closed doors to avoid a large conflict. What makes this moment especially serious is that multiple countries are now positioning forces at the same time, creating the kind of high pressure environment where one mistake could trigger a chain reaction nobody can fully control. For millions watching around the world, this no longer feels like a distant geopolitical issue. It's starting to look like the early stages of a global security crisis that could affect economies, fuel prices, travel, and international stability within days. The deployment of British and French naval forces is being viewed as both a warning and a defensive move. Officials are publicly claiming the ships are there to protect commercial trade routes and prevent attacks on international vessels. But analysts believe there is a deeper concern growing inside NATO governments. Intelligence reports and rising military activity across the region have raised fears that conflict could spread beyond its current borders if diplomacy completely breaks down. Several European leaders are reportedly worried that if shipping lanes become unsafe, the global economy could face another major shock similar to the supply chain chaos seen during previous international crises. The Middle East remains one of the world's most important energy corridors, and even small disruptions there can send oil prices surging overnight. That's why these warships are not just symbolic. Their presence changes the balance of power in the region and increase the chances of direct military encounters between major nations operating in the same crowded waters. Meanwhile, the United States is facing growing pressure from both allies and critics at home. Some lawmakers argue America must show strength alongside European partners to deter further escalation, while others warn that increasing military presence could accidentally pull the country deeper into another long term conflict. Behind the scenes, defense officials are reportedly monitoring multiple flashpoints at once, including threats to cargo ships, drone activity, and rising cyber tensions connected to the broader crisis. Financial markets are already showing signs of anxiety, with investors closely watching oil futures, defense stocks, and emergency securities briefing coming out of Washington. What worries economists most is the possibility that prolonged instability could flash inflation higher again, just as many American families are still struggling with expensive groceries, rent, and interest rates. A conflict thousands of miles away can quickly hit everyday Americans through higher gas prices and rising costs across the economy. At the same time, world leaders are racing to prevent panic from spreading internationally. Emergency meetings between Europe officials, Gulf nations, and military commanders are reportedly taking place almost non stop as governments try to avoid a direct confrontation. Diplomats are pushing for back channel negotiations, but public rhetoric from several sides has become more aggressive in recent days, that creating a dangerous situation where political leaders may feel pressured to appear strong instead of backing down. Social media has also amplified fears, with dramatic footage of military movements spreading online faster than officials' information can keep up. Security experts warn that misinformation could make the crisis even harder to manage, because public pressures often forces governments into faster decisions. The longer uncertainty continues, the more likely businesses, airlines, and financial institutions will begin preparing for worst case scenarios instead of expecting a quick resolution. Another major concern is how other global powers could respond if tensions continue rising. Countries like China and Russia are closely watching every development, knowing that any instability in the Middle East can reshape global alliances and economic influence. Some analysts believe the current situation could become a test of Western unity, especially as Europe and America try to coordinate a military strategy while avoiding full scale escalation. Energy markets remain special vulnerable because traders fear that any attack near critical shipping routes could disrupt oil exports almost instantly. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing the channel and stay with me. I will be right back with another video. Till then, goodbye.